All right, Shannon. Decoy pricing. I never, not only did I never consider this concept, I thought that it was employed very differently. I'm naive, because I don't know anything until I learn it. And
yeah, that's true.
Right.
Well, and you're not a product guy per se. I mean, you are selling a product.
Sure.
It's a little different.
But it's different. I always thought, we're going to talk about what decoy pricing is, but it's essentially the idea. It is an idea of adding in a third option to two other options to encourage people to go one direction or another. The way I had always employed this in my business was the bronze, silver, gold mentality. And it was like, okay, well, what you want everybody to buy silver. That's the product that you offer, but you're going to offer this less value for a lower price, and that's bronze. And so the way I always did it, and again, this is just my being naive, I threw in the gold as the extra one so that people could see, oh, there's this amazing thing up here. I'll go to the silver. Nobody buys the gold. Silver works for me. That's how I always looked at this, to add the third option.
Yeah, and that's actually a piece of decoy pricing called anchoring. And it's kind of that good, better, best concept.
Right.
And I do want to talk about that.
Okay.
And how that kind of relates to this decoy pricing thing. And you actually came up, brought this concept. I mean, I've used it.
Yeah.
But you brought it up as a strategy. You found this Twitter.
Yeah, I found a Twitter thread about it. Yeah.
Which was great. And I thought it was a really good topic to discuss. A great example that probably all of us know is the popcorn at the movie theater, right?
Okay.
Small, medium, large. So the small is like $3.50.
Okay.
The medium is $6.50. But the large, it's a significant gap between small and medium. The large is only $1 more. It's $7.50. And in that case, they actually want you to buy the large size.
Yeah, right. This is the part that blew my mind, that it's engineered to put you at the top, not in the middle. Yeah.
It's the same reason why if you're ordering a drink and maybe the wait staff or the person would say, well, would you like if you order a beer, they say, well, the 16 ounces, whatever, $5. Right. But I can do the 20 for $6. Right.
Yeah.
And so you think, oh, well, I'm going to give, they're upselling you into their most profitable product. And like on the popcorn, the large is the most profitable product for them because the increased cost of goods is nominal.
Right.
And the decoy in that case is the medium.
Right. This was the part that blew me away. But it's right. I mean, it's correct. I was blind to this, and I've definitely been fallen. I'll say victim to it. Although there's things.
Well, we're all manipulated.
Yeah, we're all manipulated. I've been manipulated by this for sure over time. And
restaurants. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No, it just never dawned on me. Yeah, no, yeah, it's interesting.
You look at menus; they're designed the same way. So if you especially at a place like Cheesesteak Factory, if you ever go to one of those where the menu's like 100 pages long or something.
Yeah,
you're looking at
and read the book. Yeah.
Yeah, they're highlighting photos and the whole way it's created is to point you to order the most profitable dish for them.